so for your nose, remember we made this second line, which is your nose line, like it says right there. So we have your center line that goes down and this nose line. On either side of the center line, you're just going to make, well, you're going to make one big circle. This is the cartilage part of your nose, so if you touched your nose, the part on the tip that moves around, that's what that represents. Then on either side, you're going to make two, like, pencil eraser sized balls. And you need to make sure that if you were to drop a line down from the corner of your eye, they don't go past that, and they're going to actually end up almost touching that, so you might need to adjust one way or the other. Alright, so I have the cartilage of my nose, I have the balls of the wing flaps of my nose. I'm going to first draw the detail on the nose down here, that way it's easier for you to see. So I have that cartilage part of your nose and the two wing flaps. We're going to mark out the bottom center of the large circle, the top center, and the bottom center of both sides. Alright, you're going to draw a line from the bottom center up and around to that second mark, and then do the same thing for the other side. You're just following the curve of the circles up and around. Alright, so you're going to do that on your nose, so I marked out these spots, and then go up and around, and up and around. Okay, then this is the important part. This line that you just drew and the lines for the wing flaps of your nose can never touch. Alright, so you're starting at the bottom center of either side, does not matter, and you're taking a line up and around, kind of like a really thin sideways C. And remember, this line can never touch that one. So the left side, up and around. Okay, so if I were to go in and erase these circles that I had drawn, that's what my nose should look like, okay? That shape. And then what we're going to do, where the top of this circle was, we're just going to make the bridge of our nose, which is just a rectangle in between your eyes. So this is the bridge of your nose. This is where the shading is going to end up being for your nose, tip of your nose, and the wing flaps on your nostrils. That's the nose.